Welcome to How to Solve. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for beginners. Trello is a web-based project management and collaboration tool that allows users to organize and prioritize their tasks, projects, and ideas using a system of digital cards and boards. It is essentially a visual way of keeping track of what needs to be done, who's responsible for it, and when it needs to be completed. Users can create boards for different projects or areas of their work, and then add cards to those boards to represent specific tasks or ideas. Each card can contain information such as checklists, due dates, attachment, comments, and labels, and can be moved between different lists on the board to reflect their progress. Trello is widely used by individuals, teams, and organizations across various industries, from software development and marketing to event planning and education. It is free to use with optional paid plans that offer additional features and integrations. In this video, I'm going to show you features and elements of Trello, so make sure not to skip the video so you won't miss any tips. Now first, you need to open Trello on your browser. You can search for this link to go on this page. And if you are using your phone, whether it is an Apple or an Android, don't worry because you can download the app on your phone as it is available on App Store and Play Store. So going back to this page, log in if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account yet, Trello is a free project tool. So all you have to do is to click Get Trello for free, and then you will just have to provide your valid email address, or you can also continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, and your Slack account. But for me, ever since before, I always create my account and continue with my Google account so that I won't have to think of a new password and everything is connected. So let's click here, continue with Google. Choose the email that you want to connect to your Trello account, and then finally click on Create Account. Once you have created an account, you have to type here the name of your workplace, and it can be the name of your project or your team. So I'll just type here editor's team, and then here you can invite your co-workers or team members. You will just have to type in their email addresses, but you can skip this and get back to it later. So click on Create Your Workspace to proceed. On this page are the available premium plans you can get if you want to upgrade your account and access more features like admin and security controls, multiple project views, due dates, and assignees for checklist, items, and more. You can also start your premium free trial to experience an upgrade Trello account. And if you haven't decided if you're going to avail the plans, but if you are okay in using your account with only free features, then go ahead and skip this. On your screen is your homepage in Trello. I know that it is kinda overwhelming, but don't worry because I will try my best to familiarize and guide you with every feature of Trello. But now, I think that you can start creating boards since this is one of the basics. Boards are the main organizing unit in Trello, and they can be used to manage projects, tasks, and anything else you want to organize. So to create a new board here in Trello homepage, click on Create Your First Board. And first is you can customize the color of your board or background. So you can choose from these selections from gradient colors to images. Now once done with your background, you can now give your board a name. It can be the name of your first project or something that needs to get done. So I'm just gonna name it Editor's Task. Then next is the visibility. Click the option here and you will choose whether you want your board in private, within your workspace, or in public. In private means only board members can see and edit this board. Then, within a workspace means that all members in your workspace can see and edit this board. And lastly, in public means that anyone in the internet can see but only board members can edit. It is important to choose wisely from these selections to protect your data and privacy. And to proceed, you have an option here if you want to create this board or start with a template. But now we will choose to create. And once you have created a board with a name, you can start adding lists. Now lists are columns that can be used to organize your tasks or items. For example, you might have a list for to do, doing, and done. You can also rename your list if you have specifics. Then, the cards represent individual items or tasks and can be moved between lists as they are completed. So as you can see in our example, this project tool is really user-friendly and organized since you'll have to move the task. So for example, if you are currently working on it, from to do, you can move it to doing. Then of course, the last in the list is done. The task will be placed here when you have already completed the task or when it's already done from the word itself. So, as I have said earlier, you can rename the list names here that will suit your own preferences and needs in the project. So just remember that you'll be working with your boards from your left to your right. And with a little bit of practice, you'll be able to use Trello to streamline your workflow and get things done more efficiently. Once you're done with the list, you can now start adding cards. You can type here what are the tasks that needs to be done on your project. So here, I'm just gonna type here Reels, TikTok video, and YouTube video. So as you can see on our first list, which is under to do, we got Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube videos. And those are the tasks that we need to accomplish. You can freely move tasks depending on your progress. You can also add details to your cards. If you click this first option, which is Open Card, this will bring you in details. So you can click this Watch Notification that allows you to be notified when another user makes a change to a card, list, or board in Trello. When watching a card, you'll get notifications for all comments, adding, changing, and upcoming due dates. You can also write a description in detail. You can comment and add more elements like members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, cover, and custom fields. And then the rest here are just the shortcuts of the elements that I showed you earlier. We will go back to the elements and details of this board. But now that you know the basics of the Trello, let's now go back to our homepage again. So on our left side, on your screen, you'll see some options. Click on Boards, and then you will see your recently viewed, your workspace, and in here you can also create and add more boards if you need to. Next is templates. In here you will see different templates with featured categories like business, design, education, engineering, marketing, project management, and remote work, and many more. Now, these templates are pre-made, and all you have to do is click on the category that you want, then a bunch of templates will show up. This is perfect if you are a beginner since you won't be needing to design your board from scratch, but we won't be focusing on templates today since I'll be showing you how to create and explore more features of Trello. So on your homepage, you will see updates and activities of every board that you are part of. And going back to the board that we made earlier, which is the editor's team, let's continue to go deeper with the details. So now, I just familiarize you with the elements of your board, like what can you do with it. But now I want to go back with the details that we can put with the cards since it is very important. Earlier, I already explained what can you do with this watch option and then adding descriptions. Now, the comments. So basically, you can comment either your suggestions here, or if you want to commend your coworker, or if you have any corrections that you want to make, especially with the output. For example, with your coworkers. So it's very convenient since you will really feel that it is a teamwork because you will have an opportunity to still discuss your ideas with your colleagues. And then of course the members here. You can add them if you have any new members in your organization, and then you can also add labels and choose a color. In this way, it won't be confusing, especially when you have so many tasks to do. So in this way, you'll be guided with the labels. And of course, can I just say that I'm amazed that they added the feature for a person with a disability like colorblind. So when you click this option, you will see different figures and shapes. So this is really helpful and convenient for them. So I really like it. Then moving on with the checklist, you can add tasks like for a specific project, and you can assign it to members and also add due dates. And next is the dates. This is really helpful, especially when you have a time goal, like for example for this week or month. And you can also set due date reminder, which will be sent to all members of the board. Then you can also add attachments from your computer, Trello, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, or you may also attach the link. This is perfect way to submit your files to your manager. We also have a cover here. You can edit your board or background here. You can also upload background images here or search photos. Then the custom fields wherein you will customize or add drop-down, text fields, dates, and more to your cards. On your board, you can also add power-ups. So power-ups are optional features that can be added to your boards to enhance their functionality. Power-ups can be installed from the Trello Power-Up directory and can be customized to fit your specific needs. And some of the popular power-ups in Trello include Calendar. So the Calendar power-up displays your Trello cards with due dates and a calendar view, allowing you to visualize your tasks and deadlines. Next is Custom Field. This power-up allows you to add custom fields in your cards, making it easy to track additional information such as priority, progress, and estimated time. Then, voting. So the voting power-up enables team members to vote on cards and prioritize tasks based on the feedback. Fourth is Card Repeater. This power-up automatically creates recurring cards based on a schedule you set. So this is especially useful for tasks that need to be repeated regularly. Then lastly is Butler. Butler is an advanced automation tool that allows you to create custom rules to automate tasks and workflows in Trello. With Butler, you can automate actions such as assigning team members, moving cards, and sending notifications. Power-ups can help you customize your Trello boards to fit your unique needs, streamline your workflow, and improve your productivity. Moving on with power-ups, we also have automation. So automation in Trello enables users to create custom commands, workflows, and rules that can be triggered automatically based on specific events or conditions. And here are some examples of what Butler can do. Automatically move a card to a specific list or board based on a due date or label. Assign a card to a specific team member when a label is added to it. Send an email notification to a member when a card is moved to a specific list. Automatically create a new card when a specific card is moved to a list. With that, you can automate many tasks that would otherwise require manual effort and time, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Automation not only saves time but also ensures consistency and accuracy in your workflows. So that's pretty much all the information that you need to know in Trello, and I suggest that you go for a premium account in Trello as it offers additional features and benefits compared to the free version. And first is Trello Premium allows users to add an unlimited number of power-ups to their boards. Secondly, Trello Premium increases the attachment size limit from 10 MB in the free version to 250 MB. This means that users can attach larger files such as multimedia content or high-resolution images to their cards without worrying about hitting the file size limit. So this is particularly useful for designers, photographers, and other creatives who need to collaborate on high-quality visuals. Thirdly is Trello Premium includes advanced automation features through Butler, which allows users to automate tasks and workflows on their boards, and with this, users can save time and increase productivity by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Fourth reason is Trello Premium offers custom backgrounds and stickers, enabling users to customize the appearance of their boards. This is a great feature for teams who want to brand their boards with their company's colors and logos, or for individuals who want to personalize their boards with their favorite colors and images. And finally, Trello Premium offers receive priority support from the Trello team, which means they can get help with their issues and questions more quickly. This is particularly important for teams who rely on Trello for their day-to-day tasks and need quick and reliable support to keep their projects on track. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope this video is useful. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.